You can divide the earth into four parts: crust, mantle, outer core and inner core. Crust is the outermost part of the earth. People lives on this part. It is rigid, brittle and thinner as compared to mantle and core. You can divide crust into two parts: continental crust and oceanic crust. The thickness of the crust vary from 0 to 70 km. For oceanic crust, it is 4.5 km, and average thickness of continental crust is 35 km. Crust represent less than 1% of mass of Earth. Mantle, it lies between the crust and core, and its thickness is about 2,900 km. It represents 68.3% of Earth mass, and by volume, it contains 83% of Earth volumes. Core. You can divide the core into the two parts: outer core and inner core. So, outer core, it is the outer part of the core, and it is a liquid part of core. It lies between 2,900 km to 5,155 km. It represents 29.3% of Earth mass, and it is an idea that it's moved by convection. Convection means transfer of heat through the circulating motion of material, and it is also possibly contribute in Earth's magnetic field. Inner core, it is lies between 5,150 km to 6,370 km. It represents only 1.7% of Earth mass, and it is an idea that it's made by the solid nickel and iron. Thank you.